Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a business email with Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account and go to your dashboard. From there, find the Settings menu, usually on the left sidebar. Within Settings, you will see an option labeled Email and Google Workspace. Click on this to start the process. You will then be prompted to connect a new Google Workspace account, which powers your professional email. This integration ensures a seamless experience for your business communications. Once you've selected to connect Google Workspace, you'll need to choose a suitable plan. These plans usually offer various features like email, calendar, and cloud storage. Next, you'll enter your desired professional email address, for example, contact@yourbusiness.com. Squarespace will check if this address is available for your domain. Finally, you'll provide your billing details for the Google Workspace subscription. Many plans include a free trial period, allowing you to explore the features before committing. After setting up your Google Workspace account, the next crucial step is domain verification. Google needs to confirm that you own the domain you're using for your email. Squarespace usually guides you through this process, often automating the necessary DNS record updates. In some cases, you might need to manually add a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Don't worry, Squarespace provides clear, step-by-step instructions to ensure your domain is verified correctly and quickly. With your business email now active, you can access it directly through Gmail or the Google Workspace admin console. From there, you can manage various settings, such as setting up email forwarding to another address or creating email aliases for different departments. You can also add more user accounts if your team grows. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help streamline your life. This powerful robot vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying features, making it perfect for any home, especially those with pets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.